now at Akwakuma flyover. As you can see, this is the flyover over there. So my wonderful people, in today's video we shall be going to somewhere here in the city of Owerri. What's up my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nwaoria and Nuelchuky is my little space on YouTube world. So my wonderful people, before we proceed, just get your popcorn, get your chill drink, relax and watch those videos to the end, because in today's video we shall be going to somewhere in Owerri, Imo State of Nigeria. So friends, if you are conversant with this very area, do let us know at the comment section. And if you're living around here, let us know as well. As we proceed on what we have for today. I just want to use this video to thank all my subscribers, both the old and the new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and also for my silent viewers. I appreciate you all. So friends, this is Akwakuma. This is another part of Akwakuma. Over there is an old building. And this is Nwaoria River. You can see buildings everywhere. think people are building very close to the river. So friends, as we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, just hit on the red icon below written subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any video here. That's the extension of Owerri River. So my wonderful people, for people that are building around this Owerri River, is it wise? Is it right or wrong? To me, it's very wrong, because anything can happen. Just imagine another building very close to the river. Some people get mine though. So my wonderful people, for you to have watched up to this point means you like my videos. All you have to do is to click on the red icon below, written subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share this video to your family and friends, and at the end of this video, if you like it, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up Do let us know what you think about this video. Still the extension of Owerri River. Thanks for watching this far. See you guys again in the next video. Thank you.